using the Marie Kondo's Konmari method. This one here has no buttons, so I put the back down because that will provide the easiest surface for folding and not unraveling on me. Let's see. I might be able to do it the other way. Let's see. If we like it this way. Or, I don't. But if we put that neckline in first, we may just be able to do this. Bring that down a little bit further since it keeps pulling up through. You can tell which one it is. There we are. That works. Woohoo! You can see that this has the folded over one. These kind of have a little seam in them, so you can tell that those are the folded over if you chose not to do it this way. You know, I can move them around quite easily. You can put them in one by one. I can put them in a few at a time. Grab what I need and use it very simply. Your drawers will be under control a lot easier, and you won't have the worry of pulling something out and making the whole drawer a mess. It still looks nice and neat and tidy. Give me a thumbs up if this works for you.